Alright, now when it comes to this kind of question, right, there's a square here at the x. So this is no longer a linear expression. This is what we call a quadratic expression. So to factorize this kind of expression, you need to use the box method. Alright, so how to use the box method? Okay, here we do first step, right? What you do is first step, identify the breakdown. Okay, and then you check. Second step is to check the middle term. Okay, so what do I mean? First one, breakdown of the third term. Okay, so I have one, the first term, second term, and the third term. So I want to first break down the third term. So the third term is positive 12. I can break it down with 1 times 12. In 2 times table, I can have 2 times 6. 3 times table, I can have 3 times 4. 4 times table is 4 times 3, which is the same as 3 times 4. So this is the breakdown of 12. So breaking down the third term. And I say that the second step is to check the middle term. My middle term is a positive 8x. So looking at the 3 combinations here, 3 breakdowns, you need to check, right, which combination will give you a positive 8. When 1 plus 12, will it give you a positive 8? No, it will give you 13. 2 plus 6, will it give you a positive 8? Possibly. 3 plus 4, will it give you positive 8? No, it gives you 7. So the likeliest combination to use is possibly 2 plus 6. So what we do is this, we need to use the box, right? The tic-tac-toe box, if you remember. So the middle part here, the top left corner here, is a multiplication sign, x. Okay, and the 2 boxes that's diagonally here, we put the unknown x. Right? They must be diagonally each other. And then the 2 and the 6, we'll put it here. 2 and 6. You can put the other way around as well, 6 and 2, it's fine. And then we check. We multiply them together. X times x, it will give you not 2x but x squared. Right? X times 6, it will give you 6x. You can also do it this way. X times 2, it will give you 2x. Okay, not x squared but 2x. And then you have 6 times 2, you have 12. So you need to check, right? Check for the middle term. How do you check? You will, okay, focus on these 2 terms because these are the like terms, same family. They can actually be simplified. So when 6x plus 2x, if you add it up, will you get the middle term? Yeah, plus 8x. So this is the correct combination. So how do we factorize it? How does it look like in a factorized form? First, you prepare the 2 brackets, right? Next, you put this term, x and 2. You put it like this, x and 2. There's a sign in the middle, it will be positive. If I don't write anything here, it means it's all positive. And here, x and a 6. So it's x plus 6. There's no sign in the middle here, that means it's positive. Okay, so that's how a factorized form looks like for a quadratic expression. Let's try again for question number 8. Okay, we have the 3 terms, x squared. Now this is a quadratic term with the square here. We have negative 3x as the middle term and positive 2. So we always break down the third term, the last term. So positive 2 can be broken down into 1 times 2. Right, but 1 times 2, if this is the only combination, okay, let's check first in our mental mind. 1 plus 2 will give you positive 3, right? Give you positive 3.